Hi, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. I want to do a quick video on a job we're doing right now on replacing all of the drip line in a backyard. I wanted to kind of show you the progress of what's happening here and what goes on when you got to replace these water lines. Okay, you can see here, this is the drip valve. The valve was not very old. We replaced it actually pretty recently, but the poly line, which is this black line, was just bad on the entire property. It was just causing a lot of leaks. So what we did is just trenched all along. I don't know how well you can see, but we basically trenched through this whole yard. You just have to run one long poly line, which is usually about a 1/2 inch poly line. And then what you do is you feed it with little drip emitters throughout the rest of the property. But basically we just go around the entire property with a 1/2 inch line, and then take the spaghetti drips to feed each of the plants. So if you're having a lot of trouble with your drip lines, you find that there's a lot of leaks that's occurring. You know, you make one repair and it seems like, you know, a few feet down the line you get another repair. Sometimes after about 10 or 20 years, this poly line gets pretty old and it just gets brittle and it starts to break more frequently, and you find yourself replacing it so many times, repairing it so many times. It's just easier to replace the whole line so it lasts longer and you get another, 10, 20 years out of it before you have to really deal with any more major breaks. If this is something you're looking to have done, or if you have any questions about your drip irrigation, give us a call here at AMS Landscaping. Contact us through our website. You can call us at 602-944-0421 or check out our website at azlawns.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Thanks much.